Then we talked to a few demand forecasting experts over the past few weeks that are actually also using our library. And it's very curious to see how they actually leverage performance estimation in production. And some of them do something which is called post-deployment model selection. So when they're expecting a model failure, like what I just explained before, so you add inference time while the model input is made available, and you measure the estimated performance, and you know that it's already gonna not be that performant, you can revert back to a previous model, because there either might be some concept drift or there might be some covariance shift happening. Or you might also fall back to a heuristic, because if there is a data quality issue, your model input might actually be corrupted, and falling back to a previous model doesn't make any sense either, because the actual data that goes into it is not properly formatted or not reliable. We've also seen people using 90-mL's performance estimation to choose an optimal model from a registry. And the way to look at it is actually as a smart way to ensemble different models and to pick a relevant model for a certain period in time. Imagine that you want to predict the demand for the next week, and you have a registry of 20 models. And the reason why you might have a registry of 20 models is because you're either working with very, very big data and it's super expensive to retrain and refit machine learning models, or you might take the conscious decision to build different machine learning models for different regions. Or you might actually also taken the decision to specifically overfit your machine learning models, or specifically create machine learning models for, in the case of rare events. And then you can just all try them out at inference time and pick the model or pick the forecast that has the highest expected performance or the lowest error, and execute on that forecast. And that's something that we've seen people using 90-mL's performance estimation for as well. And of course, when we're launching a new product or we're opening a new store, there's not that much data also about past sales. And then there is other ways to also leverage performance estimation, where we maybe go and look to similar stores or similar products and try to make an educated guess.